Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and I got another one for you. Meta keep updating, I keep telling you guys. Before we get started, do all that stuff that the YouTube likes, like, subscribe, you know, the algorithm loves that. Alright, enough of that. Listen, check it out. They got panoramic view working. Now you can upload all those panoramic shots that we never even look at. It's horrible to look at on your phone. Nobody I know prints them. So what's the point, right? Now it got a purpose. Listen, they just implemented panoramic view. So all you have to do is take it, you know how you do it with the whole line thing, go to your Meta Quest app, upload it from there, and then appear in your Files app in your headset. They look great. They look great. They got some demos up there already if you don't have like the capability of shooting those, but if you go up there now, you can look at the demos they got. They look good. Looks real good. This headset for $500 is great. I'm just saying. And you know what? I just gotta thank Apple, really, because before Apple, they was promising all this stuff. Now they actually delivering on all those promises and a rapid rate too, because every time I turn around, every week, something different coming out. This is here, this is here, this is here. This is stuff that they say was supposed to been came. Somebody was sitting on their hands. Now Apple's out. Now everything's coming out. Anyway, listen, go check it out. It's a great feature. They look really good. I took a couple, watched them. I was like, man, this looks great. So when stuff comes out, I try to get it out, try to let you guys know that it's super real. And check it out. Go take those photos, upload those photos, look at it on your headset. They look good. They look good. Those spatial videos, don't sleep on them neither. Those are good too. I don't know if y'all guys have the opportunity to take those, but those spatial videos is good. I take them all the time now. Got my little archive of those, but these panoramic ones now, I'm doing it now. On a cruise, at the beach, whatever, take that big shot. I always have it. Thank you guys for watching. I got some new videos coming up, so look out for those. Some more interesting stuff. But I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.